Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to go through some division fact practice, specifically the 12's facts. We'll go through 25 facts in total, and you'll have 4 seconds to answer each fact. Let's see how you do. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. 36 divided by 12. 3. 60 divided by 12. 5. 96 divided by 12. 8. 72 divided by 12. 6. 24 divided by 12. 2. 108 divided by 12. 9. 132 divided by 12. 11. 48 divided by 12. 4. 120 divided by 12. 10. 84 divided by 12. 7. 144 divided by 12. 12. 12 divided by 12. 1. 48 divided by 12. 4. 84 divided by 12. 7. 60 divided by 12. 5. 96 divided by 12. 8. 72 divided by 12. 6. 108 divided by 12. 9. 36 divided by 12. 3. 120 divided by 12. 10. 12 divided by 12. 1. 144 divided by 12. 12. 24 divided by 12. 2. 132 divided by 12. 11. 144 divided by 12. 12. So there you have it. There's some division fact practice. How'd you do? Hopefully well. And if you missed some, that's okay. Recognize the facts you need to work on and focus on those. Keep practicing and you'll have your facts down in no time. Check the description for other fact videos. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.